Hi everyone, I'm Karen. I posted some photos before asking everyone which 18K yellow gold charm looks better with the nephrite beads. So today I'm gonna try it for you. Most fans chose this one, Streamlined Charm, as do I. Let's make with this one. So these beads are 12mm Nephrite Jade. The color is smoky purple. But unlike the normal smoky purple, the texture of this type is icy. It looks a bit white, but compared with the white Nephrite Jade, it does have color. So I'm gonna use purple elastic cord to make it, 4 cords. The hole of this bead is quite large, so we can use 4 cords. I think this design will look elegant and luxurious. So next month is Mother's Day. Have you thought of any gifts? Well, let me know your ideas by leaving me a comment. Okay, I think it looks pretty cool. Simple, elegant. Okay, that's it for today's video. I'll see you on April 20th. Bye!